Hi guys, welcome back. Windows 11 26H1 is already out, but many users still can't get it through normal Windows update. And the ISO file is also not officially available for everyone yet. That's because currently this version is mainly available through Insider and Preview channels. Now yes, you can get it using the Windows Insider program, but many users don't want to switch their main PC to Insider build just to test Windows 11 26H1. So in today's video, I will show you how to download the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file easily and use it on your PC. So let's get started. So first you need to open your browser. Now in Google search, type UUP dump. Now open the official UUP dump websites. We are using these websites because currently the Windows 11 26H1 ISO is not officially available for all users. And this site helps us generate the ISO file directly using files from Microsoft Server. Once the website opens, you will see a multiple Windows build listed here. Now at the top, you will see a Windows 11 option. Once you click on this, you will see a multiple Windows 11 version along with 26H1. Now select Windows 11 26H1. After that, you will see a multiple Windows 11 26H1 builds. You may see AMD 64 version and ARM 64 version. If you are using a normal Intel or AMD PC, then you can select AMD 64 version. Now it will ask you to select your language. So I will select English United States. After selecting the language, click on Next. Now you will see a different Windows edition. For example, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Pro, Education and Enterprise. If you are a normal user, you can simply keep Windows 11 Pro selected. Now click on Next. Now this is the important part. Under download method, you need to select download and convert to ISO. Then below that, under conversion options, you can keep include update selected. But I am going to uncheck this for now because including updates may increase the download size and also make the ISO creation process slower. Then click on create download package. Now the zip file will start downloading automatically. Once the zip file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder. Then right click on the zip file and click extract all. Then click on extract. Now open the extracted folder and inside the folder you will see a multiple files. Now look for the file name called uup download windows.cmd. Once you find this CMD file, just right click on it and select run as administrator. And here you can see, are you sure to run this software? Just click on run. Now command prompt will open automatically and you will see if you want to run this, you need to press R on your keyboard. Now the script will start downloading all required Windows 11 26H1 files from Microsoft Server automatically. This process may take some time depending on your internet speed and PC performance. So just wait patiently, do not close the command prompt windows during the process. You will see multiple download and conversion process running automatically. And just to give you an idea, in my case, the entire process took around 40 minutes to complete. Once the download finishes, the script will automatically start converting the files into an ISO image. Again here you need to wait until the entire process finishes. Finally you will see a message saying done finished. And here you need to press 0 or Q to exit from the command prompt window. Now go back to the same extracted folder and here you will find your Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. Now you can select and delete all the unnecessary files and folders from this location to free up disk space. But just make sure do not delete the ISO file by mistake. You can now use this ISO file to create a bootable USB drive and perform a clean installation for Windows 11 26H1 on your PC. You can also use it on a Oracle VM VirtualBox to test Windows 11 26H1 safely without affecting your main system. And if you don't want to format your PC, you can simply mount the ISO file and run the setup file to upgrade your current Windows installation while keeping your files and application intact. So that's how you can easily download the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file and use it on your PC. So if this video helped you guys, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorial and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.